I just want to make this video so that I can tell you something. So I guess some of you might know about Hurricane Florence, and I'm in I live in North Carolina, so yeah, I might be affected by Hurricane Florence. We've I've experienced a hurricane before. I've survived Hurricane Matthew. I hope I survive Hurricane Florence. Yeah. That's just what I wanted to tell you. There's gonna be a hurricane where I live because I live in a state that's gonna be affected by Hurricane Florence. So yeah, that's what I want to say. I hope I survive Hurricane Florence. Um I'm assuming that I will, I guess. So yeah, bye.